Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You need permissions first. Once you have them, pick the exact target you will modify. Start by choosing the attribute name like generic, max health or generic, movement speed and the target selector player name at eType equals, distance equals, or UUID. Type a partial command, /attribute target attribute to anchor the operation. You do this now so subsequent options attach cleanly. Make sure to avoid typos in attribute ID, because the game will reject unknown attributes immediately. Once done with the target and attribute, decide whether to set the base value or apply a modifier. For a base change use, /attribute target attribute base set value. For modifiers, you include a UUID, name, amount, and operation like add or multiply, /attribute at p generic. Attack damage modifier add UUID name, amount operation. Make sure to use the correct operation keyword and numeric format. Minecraft parses numbers strictly, so use decimals where needed. Apply the command and immediately verify results with /data get entity target or by testing the gameplay effect. If you added a modifier, note the UUID so you can remove it later. Use modifier remove UUID or reset the base value to undo changes. If something goes wrong, make sure you have operator rights, confirm the exact attribute identifier, check number formatting like decimals, and correct typos. If the entity ignores changes, try relogging or restarting the server to clear client-side caching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.